Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adobe Photoshop Review My Image Editing Workflow. Adobe Photoshop Review My Image Editing Workflow isn't a specific service, but rather a concept encompassing reviews of Adobe Photoshop and how it fits into different image editing workflows. This is geared towards photographers, graphic designers, digital artists, and anyone looking to enhance or manipulate images, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Key features typically discussed include layers, masks, filters, brushes, and various selection tools. Their website, adobe.com, provides details on Photoshop itself, including different subscription options and system requirements. Photoshop boasts powerful tools and extensive features, making it the industry standard for raster-based image editing. It's known for its non-destructive editing capabilities, allowing for flexible adjustments. While it has a premium price point, it offers a free trial. Availability is widespread, supporting both macOS and Windows. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adobe Photoshop for my image editing workflow. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I downloaded the software from the Creative Cloud app, and the installation process was smooth. The initial interface can feel a little daunting with so many tools, but Adobe provides numerous tutorials and resources to get acquainted. For my workflow, I primarily use Photoshop for photo retouching and compositing. For example, I recently used the Content-Aware fill to remove unwanted objects from a landscape shot, and the results were incredibly seamless. I also experimented with blending modes and adjustment layers to create a specific mood in a portrait. The brush engine is incredibly responsive, allowing for precise detailing, whether I'm dodging and burning or creating digital paintings. Performance-wise, Photoshop handles large files surprisingly well on my system, although I notice some lag when working with extremely high-resolution images and complex layer structures. I did have one question about using the pen tool for a complex selection, and I reached out to Adobe support via their online chat. They responded within an hour and provided a helpful link to a tutorial that solved my issue. I was really impressed by the depth of control Photoshop offers, allowing me to achieve very specific results. The standout feature for me is definitely the masking capabilities, which allow for intricate selections and adjustments. One minor drawback is the subscription model. While it provides access to constant updates, it can be a recurring cost to consider. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adobe Photoshop as the core of my image editing workflow. While it has a steep learning curve, the power and flexibility it provides are unmatched. That's my overview of Adobe Photoshop Review My Image Editing Workflow. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.